Quality design and manufacturing provides reliable, long-lasting operation. Consistent, smooth coolant delivery. Lightweight and easy to install. Provides maximum circulation for cooling efficiency in all driving conditions including idling. Guaranteed against defects in materials or workmanship. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Bosch auxiliary electric water pumps are designed and manufactured to rigorous original equipment manufacturer, OEM, quality standards. Exact OE fit, form, and function ensure a trouble-free installation process and restoration of your vehicle's cooling performance. Bosch pumps feature quality electromagnets and smart circuits that ensure harmonized operation with the vehicle system, and a sealed pump chamber that protects the pump's electronic components. Every Bosch auxiliary electric water pump benefits from the technological and manufacturing experience gained from decades of OE supplier experience, ensuring long-lasting, superior performance. Every Bosch auxiliary water pump is end-of-line function and leak tested before leaving the manufacturing facility to ensure highest quality and performance for superior customer satisfaction. Top reviews from the United States. As an aux water pump in Merc GL 450. This is perhaps factory replacement for my 2007 GL 450 auxiliary water pump. Perfect fit and works quietly. If you hear coolant is boiling after a couple minutes with your AC or heat on, it's a front-back system, and your engine isn't overheating, this part in about 10 minutes, plus the mess will fix.